Alright guys, today's the 5th of November. Yesterday we had a pretty nice trend day, however it kind of died off after 10:30, kind of went sideways for the rest of the day. Which is kind of expected after such a long, kind of extended move up that we've had these past 2 days. Okay, now obviously overnight we're kind of continuing this rally, and so we are expecting more continuation to the upside. Um, Obviously if there is high volume on today's trade. Okay, if there's no high volume, we should expect to move back towards this little area of value right here at 11,779. Okay, but apart from that, we should be able to continue going higher. Now for the analysis, I'm going to look at the ES first. Okay, we have a pretty nice excess down here. So let's get rid of these levels. We no longer need these. Okay, we have a little gap right here. Gap. And then we have an excess right here. Okay, this area is likely to be defended again, obviously, as these guys are aggressive buyers. All of these guys will likely defend, so if prices start coming back in, you should see them defend this price. Okay? Okay, or this general area, you should see them defending. Okay, we no longer need this point of control. Okay, and obviously we're going to use the point of control as our line in the sand. Above it, we're bullish. Below it, we're bearish. Okay, and we also have a poor high up here to keep in mind. Okay, poor high. Okay, we have a point of control up here. We have an imbalance. Okay, again, imbalances are likely to fill, so just expect a little rotation and then the break. But that's pretty much it for the ES. Just keep in mind the point of control. As long as we're above it, we should be okay for the upside as long as there's volume. Below it, look for a move towards the excess right here. Now for the NQ, you have an even bigger gap. Okay, we have an even bigger gap than the ES. However, the excess is a little bit smaller. Not that it really matters in any way, but just a little note. We still have nice aggressive buyers in this market right now, and so we are keeping that in mind. Okay, point of control. Above it, we are bullish. Point of control above, bullish. Alright, perfect. Obviously, we have some excess up here, and we have a poor high to be taken out. Obviously, right now we're trading already near this poor high. Okay, so we are expecting again some sort of continuation with high volume. If not, we should come back to test all of these references down here. Okay, so look for high volume at the open. That's the key. But apart from that, it should be a continuation to the upside. The last but not least, the YM. Again, we have excess. There is no gap on the YM though. It's a little bit better structure on the YM. Again, because a gap is an imbalance, guys. So anytime you see a gap, you see a market that's kind of extended, a little too aggressive, right? And so the chances are that we come back and repair that structure increases by a lot. Okay, when a market is nicely structured, okay, it doesn't move as nicely. However, it is quote unquote safe. Okay, it's safer to trade. Um, if you're like investing in it or something, doesn't really matter for trading too much, but yeah, it's a little safer. All right, here we have a point of control above it. took out this point of control. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them down below. If you haven't joined the Discord already, there's a link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching, guys.